Namaste. The present pandemic COVID-19 is caused by the SARS-CoV-2. The infection causes severe lung damage and acute respiratory failure. Due to the lack of a specific cure of this disease, many treatment options are being considered for the symptomatic relief. The ancient Indian medicine system of Ayurveda works by improving the overall wellness of the body. It is the rather holistic approach of treatment. Divya Swasaribati is one such medicinal formulation that is composed of rare herbs like salt cress and gal plant along with clove, peppers, ginger and cinnamon. Swasaribati also contains herbally treated minerals and forms a potent combination as an anti-inflammatory and antiviral medicine. In this study, we used a zebrafish model which has been transplanted with human lung cells into the swim bladders. SARS-CoV-2 viral spike proteins were then used to induce the disease phenotype. Spike protein caused the inflammation in the swim bladder, renal damage and skin hemorrhage. These disease fish were fed with diet enriched with different doses of Swasaribati along with Dexa, the reference drug. The swim bladder edema was restored to normal. In the kidney, the number of degenerative and dying cells were also significantly reduced by Swasaribati. In addition, SARS-CoV-2 spike protein caused skin vascular injury. Swasaribati treatment reversed the hemorrhage. Disease fish also showed behavioral fever, which was rescued by the Swasaribati treatment. Importantly, Swasaribati treatment protected the fish from SARS-CoV-2 spike protein induced mortality. Gene expression studies showed an increased levels of IL-6, IL-10 and TNF-alpha cytokines in the disease control group. This increased expression was reduced by Swasaribati to near normal levels. In conclusion, our study showed that Swasaribati rescued most of the damages caused by the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein and increased the survival of the humanized fish. This is the first preclinical proof of concept study of Divya Swasaribati against SARS-CoV-2 virus and warrants for further clinical investigations. Namaste.